Ever wondered if it's actually possible to make $1,000 in a single day trading Forex? Well, I did it. And today I'll show you exactly how I did it step by step. No fluff, just actionable insights. So stick around, because this could change the way you look at trading forever. Before we dive in, let me clarify. Forex trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes strategy, discipline, and a solid plan. But with the right approach, it's absolutely possible to have profitable days like this. Here's how my $1,000 day unfolded. I'll cover 1. The trading setup I used. 2. My exact step-by-step strategy. 3. The mistakes I avoided. First, let's talk about my trading setup. I used a simple yet effective combination. Platform. I trade on MetaTrader 4. Account size. My account was $10,000 to start. Leverage. I used 1 to 50 leverage to keep risk manageable. Next, I checked the economic calendar for high-impact news. On this day, there was a major announcement. The U.S. Federal Reserve was releasing its interest rate decision. This created perfect volatility for my trading strategy. My strategy started with market analysis. I focused on 2 pairs, EUR/USD and GBP/USD. Technical analysis. I identified key support and resistance levels on the 1-hour chart. Indicators. I used RSI to spot overbought and oversold zones, and moving averages to confirm the trend. News impact. Since the Fed news could move the dollar, I predicted high volatility. At this point, I had a clear game plan. Wait for a breakout and ride the momentum. When the news dropped, the euro to US dollar broke above a key resistance level. That was my signal. Entry. I entered a long position at 1.0850. Stop loss. Placed at 1.0800 to limit my risk. Take profit. Set at 1.0950 based on the next resistance zone. This setup offered a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio, which aligned perfectly with my trading rules. Once I entered, I monitored the trade closely. Here's what I did. Trailed my stop loss as the price moved in my favor. Avoided emotional decisions by sticking to my plan. Within 2 hours, my target was hit, and I made $1,000. Patience and discipline paid off. Here are the biggest lessons I learned. 1. Always trade with a plan, no guessing. 2. Risk management is key. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account. 3. Be patient. Let the market come to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Forex trading insights. Also, comment below, what's your biggest challenge in trading? Let's discuss.